everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now here we are at the Dollar Tree in their crafter section because I'm trying to stock up on some supplies and I thought I'd take you with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. Remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free. All you have to do is click that red button that says subscribe and then double click on the bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, what I normally do is try to show you everything. I don't like to miss anything because this way, at least when you go to the store, you know exactly what you're looking for at your Dollar Tree. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and walk through the store and show you what my Dollar Tree in my area has. And I live in Pennsylvania. Now this is just one section of the Crafter Square, and we are pretty stocked in my store here, so I am really happy. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.